Welcome to our budget tools. Your new budgets page is easy, helpful, and secure. Your budget tools will help you better understand and manage your finances. On your budgets page, you'll see budgets, cash flow, spending, trends, goals, and debts. Budgets. Set up a budget to easily see how much you've spent and how much you have left for the month. It's like having a financial roadmap to keep you on track. Cash flow. Stay ahead of your finances with a clear view of what's coming in, what's going out, and what's left over. The cash flow page also forecasts your future cash flow, giving you the power to plan your finances. Spending. Get a quick and clear look at your spending habits with your spending page. It's designed to help you see where your money is going without the need to manually sort or categorize transactions. Stay on top of recent expenses and ensure everything is categorized correctly. Trends. Understanding your financial journey is key to making smart decisions. The Trends page charts your income and spending in every category over the past 3, 6, 9, or even 12 months. Easily see how much you've spent overall and make informed choices for the future. Goals. Set your financial goals, track your progress, and watch your savings grow with your automated goal tracking. Debts. See all your debts in one place. Prioritize and pay them off faster with this tool. These tools are here to help you better understand and manage your finances. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes from knowing what's ahead and feeling in control of your financial journey. Thank you for watching our demo. We hope you found this video helpful.